So eating a whole fish during Lunar New Year means abundance. And we want abundance for 2025. I'm Devin from Rising Tiger, and today we're making a Cantonese-style steamed whole fish. So our steamer today, we're gonna be using a Thai-style steamer right here, which is usually comes in 1 or 2 tiers. But if you don't have a steamer, you can also use a wok or a large pot. These are also really easy to find on Amazon, your local Asian store. You can also use a dim sum style steamer. First, we're gonna take off its outer fins. From there, we're gonna season it inside and out, score the fish. After we steam it, we're gonna be heating up a blend of sesame oil and a little bit of neutral oil, topping with herbs, and then scorching it with this oil. So today we're using red snapper. I personally like to use a less oily and a white fish, something that isn't gonna stick on your palate for very long, but it still has a lot of flavor and texture. So any whitefish, snapper, bass, a pomfret, halibut would be good. A good way to tell if fish is fresh is by the eyes, the clarity of the eyes. And if you can touch onto the skin, and as you see that as I push onto the flesh, it bounces right back. That means it has been sitting long. The color of the fish, if your red snapper isn't red, it's not good. The smell test, the eyes, the texture of the skin, and then you can always peek to look at the gills. It smells great. It smells like a fish. So we're gonna go ahead and take the fins off. This is to just make it easier to eat and also safer. So we're gonna take the side fins, the belly fins here. Easiest way to do this is just with a very sharp pair of kitchen shears. All right, flip it over. Get both these pectoral fins. And then we're gonna do this top. And these are just obviously extremely sharp. So I wanna be careful. And this makes it easier to eat at the end of the. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna score a fish. So we're just gonna, from the top to the bottom, we're just gonna make cuts all the way down. This just helps open up the fish so we can get more seasoning into it, and also for it to promote some even cooking times. Same thing on the other side. And you'll see some people, they cross hatch it. I like to keep it pretty simple. From here, we're just gonna season liberally with some salt on the outside and get some in each cut. Season inside the belly. So our fish is scored. It's seasoned with salt on the inside and outside. Now we're gonna rub the inside with some garlic ginger paste that we just kind of blitzed up together. So just in this little cavity here, we're gonna add a good spoonful. We're gonna just rub in there. This is really gonna help this really become aromatic. So we'll do that. We're gonna add a couple chili pods. This isn't traditional, but I really like the depth and the nuttiness that comes with the chilies. And we're gonna also stuff it with some cilantro stems. And some green onions. And that's it. From here, we're gonna transfer that to our steaming plate. Actually, I'm gonna cut a little bit of this tail off just so it fits in the steamer. Now it's time to steam the fish. So we have our steamer on high here. Carefully place your fish in the steamer. Just adjust it so it fits. For every pound, it's about 9 to 10 minutes. This is about 1.5 pounds, so we're gonna steam for about 12 to 15 minutes. So now we're just gonna check our fish. Easiest way is just to take a spatula, push the meat to the side. You can see the cooked is white on top, and that opaque down there is not cooked. So we just need a few more minutes. We see that we're at kind of 75% of the way. we added our sauce, which was soy sauce, vinegar, lemon juice, and a little bit of dark soy. So now our fish is done. We're gonna take it out of the steamer. And you just wanna be careful because you see all this juice here, we're gonna wanna retain. For all this juice. This is one of the benefits of kind of using this Thai style steamer with all the holes in the bottom. Grab our fish out of here. So we're gonna put a little bit more of this extra sauce. Move our fish over here. Again, don't waste any of this great juice. So this is what I like to do now. I take a little bit more of that garlic ginger paste. I just kind of put it in a little bit of the cracks here, these scores that we've done. Cilantro stems. Our bottoms of our scallions. So now we have our hot oil. Be very careful with this one. From here, we're gonna just go ahead and pour this on top. Make sure you get it all down the fish. From there, all we do is season with a little bit of lemon. And that is it. Cantonese-style steamed fish. That's really great. The freshness of the herbs, the sweetness of the sauce. By steaming it, you really still get that really clean fish taste without it being fishy. Does that make sense?
Hey,
dude, this is bomb. Very tasty.
Damn, that's real good.
This is good, right? And it's like really simple.